high winds have knocked out power for thousands across central Indiana. Tonight, at least 2,000 Duke customers and more than 3,000 IPL customers remain in the dark.
In one neighborhood on the northwest side, residents say dying trees often drag down power lines when hit by gusty winds. News 8's Julia Dang talked to residents near West 81st and Georgetown Road, where a tree came down today, Julia.
Yeah, Phil, right before I got there, and it fortunately didn't land on a home or a car, but it did drag down a power line, leaving neighbors in the dark for about 7 hours. And that was actually the second tree that fell on that block today. Ashwood Drive near West 81st is aptly named.
You can see 1, 2, 3, 4,
Longtime
5,
resident
6.
Jim Pappas once counted more than 50 ash trees during a neighborhood walk. But he says many of the ones still standing are diseased, dying, or already dead.
Drove them all to the ground.
Decimated by a prolific pest.
Just the week before, he had a tree fall and it went that way, luckily.
He and next-door neighbor Kenneth Thames say it seems to happen whenever gusty winds hit Indy. And they're worried the next blast of turbulent air could blow in the direction of their homes.
I've had branches fall like on my carport.
Thames says he had all the weak trees on his property removed years ago.
I mean, I've done all I could do.
The tree that landed feet from his back deck today stood in a neighbor's yard. That homeowner wasn't available to talk to News 8.
Some of the neighbors haven't had theirs cut down, and that's why they're falling now, because of especially when we get the high winds.
Power and cable crews made multiple trips to the neighborhood today. At least one other tree toppled on the other side of Ashwood.
On the power lines across the street.
And the lights are back on tonight in that neighborhood. But about a month ago, neighbors say a tree did fall on a home. Nobody was hurt then or today. Experts say all ash trees should either be treated or removed.